All right, so this is the next ceiling fan that's going up. And it is a Hunter Millington interior fan. And it has a remote control, has a light. How about I get over here so I can read what it's saying. Okay. So it has LED bulb included, whisper wind motor, silent something. It's matte black finish, which this color matches my floor somewhat, so that's great. So this one's going up in the living room, so stay tuned.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living, one step at a time.
All right, so here are all the parts laid out, ready to be installed. Pulling down the wires.
A little more wire than they had in that outside box. That's good. So you can install the next one.
Oh, you know what? That would be awesome.
So we used to do it in dash, demonstrate, assist, show. No. Yeah. See, mine's maybe it's the same way. But which one do you want as the light?
That one's fine.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the good thing about Hunter fans is they're designed. The shape is the shape of the holder, so you don't have to do that before.
Oh, okay.
It's just done. Okay. Just they're on like a quarter inch, like a little bit longer to make sure we got a good connection. Just cap it off because we're gonna bypass that
Okay.
in this installation. Now I'm connecting blue to the red because we know that's we're bypassing the controller for the light. So you lose your dim function, but I don't know if it has that. Am I going to do that? Okay. of the right screws. Maybe that's, I need to go to Porch State and see if I can find myself a screws in slightly.
Looks good.